guys, it's SUQQU. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't got time to update anything for the past few weeks. I've had some shootings plus some weddings. After that, I just pulled my back. That's why I've been recovering. London entered Tier 4, aka we are in lockdown again. Yes, during Christmas. After that, I'm planning to go back to Taiwan for a little bit. I can't wait to see my family. Plus, non-stop lockdowns being stressful. Yeah, let's just hope the next one will be better. I mean, next year, not the next lockdown. Today, I'm going to share with you the latest Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Eye Filter Luxury Palette. The shades I have in hand are Star Aura and Diva Lights. So, if you're interested in this new Charlotte Tilbury eye quartz, keep watching. Let's have a look on these two eye quartz. We start with Star Aura. The first shade, the enhanced color. The texture is really buttery. Gray pigmentation, easy to apply on. It's a cool tone light pink. The second shade, the prime shade, it's a peachy gold with some fine silver glitters. The third shade, Defined shade, the darkest shade of this quartz, the neutral toned bronzy brown, not too dark. With my tiny creases, it wouldn't show that much difference. The fourth shade, it's a light brown. This palette is very elegant, very daily, very safe color combination. Okay, let's have a look on the next one, Diva Lights. The first shade, it's a metallic orangey copper with some shiny golden glitters. The second shade, the lightest shade of this quartz, champagne gold, it's shimmery texture. The third shade, the darkest shade of this quartz, a dark blue-green. The texture is a little bit dry, not so easy to apply on. Luckily, not much fallout. The fourth shade, a rosy light brown, quite elegant as well. So after trying on these two eye quartz from Charlotte Tilbury, I'm not so sure. The price, it's slightly more expensive than the normal quartz. The eyeshadow itself, I have to say they definitely improved the formula. The texture is smoother, more buttery, and better pigmentation, and it's even easier to apply on. Just the color story is not exciting at all. Star Aura, it's pretty, it's safe, it's also a little bit boring. I'm sure you already have plenty of similar shades. So yeah, if you just start getting into makeup, maybe you can get it. And the Diva Light, I thought I would like this one more, but when I received this, I was like, this one reminds me of Dazzling Diamonds a lot. The only difference is Dazzling Diamond is a whole glittery quartz. The color stories are really similar. Pigmentation, it's very sad to say, I think Dazzling Diamonds is slightly better, especially on the darkest shade. I remember when I swatched Dazzling Diamonds, I didn't have any problem with the darkest shade. Diva Lights, the darkest one, is a little bit dry, so it needs some time to blend out. Luckily, it wouldn't fall out that much. But for a person having both quartz at at home, I would say I prefer Dazzling Diamonds a bit more. It's more special, more festive. And for Diva Lights, the coat story is useful, pigmentation is great, but that's about it. Also, there's one thing that I really don't like about these two coats. The patterns on the eyeshadows. I know it looks pretty. I try to avoid them, try to keep them as long as possible so I can get only a little bit of pigment to apply. It slows me down quite a bit, but maybe it's just me because I really don't want to make a whole mess. So that's what I thought about these two Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Eye Filter Luxury Palette. As always, let me know what you think, which eye quads you prefer, or if you're waiting for the other shades of this collection, which will be available on 29th of December, Eyes of a Star. Leave a comment below and let me know. I will probably see you next time when I'm back in Taiwan. That's hope. See you next time. Bye bye.